Thank you, YST, to the back, Chitin sir. Kangri Rawe Kureshim, up to Pena Development, join the Cheres or Tinzi Gazu, Shabe City, or to take your His Eminence, Gyasho Captain Rambuchela, respected Chief Guest, Honorable MLA, Sri Pixel Dojapudiji, respected dignitaries, doctors, community leaders, and brothers and sisters. I, on behalf of the Kimberling Tibetan Settlement and Organizing Committee, it is my great honor and privilege to deliver the word of thanks on the auspicious occasion of the Guru Bumtsok and International Free Medical Camp, organized here at Tadagata Cell, Budapest, Rawangla. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to His Eminence Gyasho Gyabdul Rinpoche for his profound vision, compassion, and spiritual leadership. It is through Rinpoche's novel initiative that this second Guru Bumtsok and International Free Medical Camp has been brought to Sikkim and particularly to Rawangla. Under his guidance and inspiration, doctors from different parts of the world have gathered here to serve humanity through free medical treatment. This is truly a remarkable act of compassion in action. I would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to our chief guest, Honorable Area MLA Shri Risel Budiaji, for his constant supervision, encouragement, and generous support in making it possible to host Rinpoche and team of doctors here in Rawangla. Your presence today is a great source of encouragement for all of us. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks also goes to OSD Budapest, Chitin sir, and Tourism Officer Sonam sir for kindly availing the wonderful venue for hosting this noble initiative. Their cooperation and readiness to support such meaningful community events are all truly commendable. I would also like to appreciate Chitin sir for anchoring the program, today's program in such an engaging and lively manner. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Shri Vishnu Sharma Ji, APS to Honorable Chief Minister, for his constant guidance, support, and encouragement. Despite his extremely busy schedule, his readiness to assist and his precious presence today, along with the delivering the welcome address, truly reflect his commitment to supporting novel initiatives that benefit the community. I would like to sincerely thank Madam Deni Tomapudia, Chairperson, State Women's Commission, for her moral support, logistical assistance towards the success of this event. A very special word of gratitude also goes to the visiting international and local doctors who have taken out their extremely busy schedule to travel all the way here and provide medical treatment completely free of cost. Your service reflects the true spirit of compassion and humanity. I also would like to thank Speaker of the Local Tibetan Assembly, Rawangla, for his constant guidance and encouragement. My sincere appreciation also goes to President of Regional Tibetan Freedom Movement for his tireless effort in coordinating and ensuring that everything is arranged properly for this event. I would also like to thank President of Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, Rawangla, and her entire energetic team for taking the full responsibility for the kitchen arrangement, along with the main cooks. Your dedication and teamwork are truly admirable. My gratitude also goes to the Returning Multipurpose Corporation Society for kindly providing the vehicle, ensuring smooth transportation and manpower and materials. I would also like to acknowledge and thank all the leaders of the 7th camp who have led their respective teams with dedication and responsibility, not merely by giving instruction, but by leading from the front. A special note of thanks also goes to camp number 6 and 4 leader for graciously making their vehicle available for the transportation purposes as well.
Our heartfelt appreciation also goes to all the volunteers. Volunteers are truly the backbones of our community. Without their willingness to serve whenever needed, organizing such an event would not be possible. I also deeply, we are also very deeply grateful for all the generous donors who have contributed to the Guru Council and Free Medical Camp. Your kindness and support have greatly helped in making this event successful. I also would like to thank esteemed guests and dignitaries who have taken their time from their busy schedule to attend this important occasion and show their support for this noble cause. And I can also see a lot of devotees came from Halajun Dharma Center. As I requested, they have shown in large numbers. So I personally, on behalf of the organizing committee, I also would like to thank the Halajun Dharma Center for coming in large numbers for the prayer. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the people of the Tibetan community and our friends from the local community who have all come forward with enthusiasm, support for this meaningful initiative. If I have unintentionally missed anybody's name to thank, I'm extremely sorry. Touch the leg and thank you all.